Now that we've learned to draw a basic building, we're gonna add some doors and windows to this building. So here's my building. I've got the two different sides, top and the bottom. I'm gonna add a door over here. However big I decide my door is gonna be is gonna kind of tell how tall this building is gonna look. And I'm gonna make this kind of a 3-story building. I'm gonna start with my vertical. We wanna make sure the door is completely vertical. Otherwise it would be slanted and really hard to walk through. So the two verticals, the top, in order to fit into my building, is going to have to be this orthogonal. Here is my vanishing point. Here are the two verticals of my door. I'm gonna come all the way across, but I'm just gonna draw it right here, just to save myself some erasing. I'm gonna take care of any extras. There's my door. In this case, the door is slanting a little bit this way because it is below the horizon line and it's got to be on a diagonal with two verticals. I'm gonna add a couple of windows now. Same thing, windows. Let's put a window upstairs to start with. There's a vertical. That's the edge of my window. This is going to be a large window, so I'm going to put another one over here. This is just defining where I want the two verticals of my window. The top and the bottom, because this side of the building is at an angle, I'm going to have to do orthogonals. Here's the top of my window, there's my vanishing point. Again, I did my orthogonal. I could come all the way back to the vanishing point, but that would just mean I'd have to erase. Here it goes again. Vanishing point, where I'd like the bottom of my window, where I'd like the bottom of my window across. This angle and this angle are not the same because of where it sits on the window, or on where the window sits on the building. But this is now a window that sits flat on that side of the building. Anything on this side, let me just do one more window. Let's put one down here. Vertical, there's my window. Anything that sits on this side, this is my left side of the building. On the left side of the building is gonna go not to the right vanishing point, but now I'm going to the left vanishing point. So here's the bottom of my window, vanishing point are all lined up. That gives me the correct orthogonal for the bottom of the window. Here's the top of the window. Again, it's on the left side of the building. I'm using my left vanishing point. If I use my right vanishing point, it wouldn't sit correctly on that side of the building. As long as it's lined up, that window should sit correctly on that side of the building.